We're going to get started today with winterizing, or at least preparing the hive for winter time. Let's get our smoker ready. Get it started with the torch, big torch. Like to get that flame all over the fuel, get a good coverage. Close your smoker. Give it a couple of easy puffs. Keeping the smoker a little bit of a distance away from the hive at first. You don't want to stress the bees out. Just kind of let a little waffle over in their area. Go get suited up and we'll get into the hive. Coming in. Let's let them settle down a little bit. Pretty excited. And we'll use our hive tool to pry it open. Gently working our way around. Don't want to break the wood. It's been several months since I've opened this up. Was on there good. I'm gonna give them a little smoke. Hey boy. Pretty excited again. The bees have settled down. Let's get the lid off the top. Here's a nice piece. Got it off of the top of the beehive without scraping a bunch of paint up with it. Perfect. Got the lid cleaned off. Let the bees manage the rest of the cleanup. Now we'll start with the top box. I don't get into this beehive very often, so they're a little wild, and getting a little agitated. Got the smoker stoked back up. Give them a little smoke. Get everybody settled down. We're going to take the J-hook tool and start prying the first frame. Let's try to get this frame out of the box. A lot of bees. Got the first frame out, smoked them a little, shook as many off as I could. It was quite an experience. There are a lot of bees here. We're going to pull the second frame. Just trying to be gentle. In my first time solo. Let's pull the third frame. Give them a shake. What do you guys think? Looks like there's a lot of honey. Now that I have all three frames out on the frame holder, start working these other frames. I'm just going to pull them back on the box. May not be able to see it because it's a little dark down there, but it looks like they've built up a bridge network between the two frames here. See here and here. Quite a bit of activity in there. A nice aroma too. Let's see what happens. Hive's getting excited again. Let's get him smoked up a little bit. Alright, that was a little rough. Boy, they were getting agitated. I got stung in the back of the hand. They're mad. Okay, I'm gonna pack it up, hopefully. I think I've just been in here too long. Too much messing around. I think the smart thing to do would just be to fold it up. Jeez. I don't think I can get that last frame in there. Okay, well that's the frame I'm gonna clean up then. Let's put the lid back on. Let's call it a day.